your views. We'll speak to you tomorrow as well. But let's welcome Jai Bala of cashthechaos.com on the show as well. Jai, after the recovery that we've seen from today's low and the consolidation that we saw yesterday, along with the pullback that we saw all of last week, fair to say that we made a bit of a bottom on the frontline indices?
Hi, Nigel. Sorry, Mangalam. It's good to be here. But I think the market is doing exactly what is expected of it. But I don't think it's a durable bottom. The risks for the market still remain elevated. We had a close from the U.S. markets last night. That's the U.S. markets got a signal from the oldest school of technical analysis, the Dow theory, giving a sell signal for the U.S. markets. Although it's just it doesn't have an amplitude. It just tells you to preserve capital. So coming back to the Nifty, I see a continuation of the bounce that we're seeing from the low that we saw a few days ago to somewhere close to about 22,750 to 22,900. And similarly, the mid caps and the small caps are likely to take out the current highs registered for March. So all sectoral indices are also doing that except the banks. So we got last week I said the best place to fish for a counter-trend rally, one of the four was the metal sector. Metal sector and capital goods have done pretty well. So that theme still continues. But there's another risk that's coming for the global markets. That's the Brent crude. We have been anticipating it to drop below the September 2024 low. That's been registered just a few days ago. But the next low that's likely to come through for Brent, that's likely to be a final low in this leg. And then that'll be the beginning of a starting move somewhere towards $99 to $100 for Brent.
You're seeing Brent go to $99 to $100?
That's right. Oh. It's got a final sequence of low to finish. Once that's done, I'm anticipating a reversal to come through. That reversal will take it back to $99 to $100. Maybe the ceasefire that's been negotiated with Russia and Ukraine, or this new Hamas and Israel, that'll be violated. That's what the crude market is.
Yeah, that's a big call, huh? You're calling $30 of a rally on crude. I don't think any of the fundamental guys are talking about that, but clearly you're seeing something that the charts are indicating. Just allow us a minute, Jai. We'll come back. We want to explore that.
But we have Jai Bala who's joining in, and he's been right and he's been bearish. Hi, Jai. You're in the pink of health today, I see. Good to see you as always. Tell us, the Nifty, it appears it's quite resilient for the last few trading sessions. What do you say? It's just the pop before the big fall? If yes, what are the levels you're looking at? Point number one. Point number two is, Jai, I hope you're wrong on the crude oil call. I believe you're saying that crude oil from here on is going to be spiking big time. My commute, I use a petrol vehicle, so that's my only reason. But tell us about the Nifty levels and crude oil.
Yeah, see, Nifty is today's low is exactly at a 50% Fibonacci retracement of the short-term move. So the corrective rise is still pending. So I'm still anticipating this move as a corrective move. Even if it were to stretch to about 23,800, which I don't anticipate it to, this will remain within the realms of a corrective move. When it comes to crude, I'm anticipating one more lower low in the very short term, probably in the next two to 3 days. The next low will be below the recent low registered, below the September low. And then I'm anticipating reversal to come through. Once the reversal comes through, that'll be a confirmation that this market is heading, Brent crude is heading to $99 to $100. And the early indications are for the markets to, crude markets to turn from here after one more lower low. And so this is part of a longer term cycle that's happening. And I know that's too early to talk about it, but I'm anticipating Brent crude to touch $250. I mentioned this some time ago last year too. But that is in the realm of 2026, 2027. We'll talk about it when the time comes.
All right, we'll take that point. We'll talk about that when the time comes. But what we'll do is we'll, leave you be for now. Once the clock strikes 3:30, we'll speak to you on markets forward as well about the tomorrow trade and recap trade today as well. But let's try